Greetings everyone, this is Sasikumar. Welcome to my channel Sasikumar Talks, which talk about digital marketing, SEO and web in Tamil. In this video, I am going to explain you how to use my channel to learn digital marketing, SEO and other stuff. Number 1, take a note and a pen. Listen to my videos, take notes. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. I will answer your questions. I have covered most of the basic and fundamental things in digital marketing in Tamil. So you can learn digital marketing fully in this digital marketing channel Sasikumar Talks. I am planning to conduct even a live session for the people who are interested in learning digital marketing at every Sunday morning around 10:30 to 11. If you are interested, you join the live session, please. Next, I am ready to support you, I am ready to help you. Please don't hesitate to ask your questions. Please use the comment section to raise your questions and thoughts. And if you feel that it is not answered enough, you can call me or text me. After following all these things, if you still find that you are not able to catch up things using TeamViewer, AnyDesk, Zoom, I can give you one-to-one personalized digital marketing training at an affordable cost. Kindly watch the videos, take the notes, put your questions in the comment section, attend the live session on every Sunday morning. Thank you very much. This is our channel Sasikumar Talks.